it's Gillian, and today I'm going to be doing another how long does it actually take me to make slime video. You guys really liked the last one that I did, so I've decided to do another one today. But today I'm going to be doing a butter slime version. So I'm just going to start making my slime while I explain what this video is. Otherwise this video will be like half an hour long. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is showing, I don't know, you guys, I guess, myself making slime with no edits, no cuts or anything. So you guys can see the entire process of how I make slime, because normally when I create a slime video there's editing involved. I speed up the bits that take too long, or I cut out unnecessary bits, or when there's really loud noises outside and it ruins it, I can cut those out. But today you're going to be seeing all of it. So I always get a little bit nervous to do these videos because I don't know, I feel like if I say the wrong thing or mess up, I can't fix it, but that's okay. That's what these videos are all about. Let's get all that glue out. We need to get all the glue. Don't waste any glue. Okay, so like I said, I'm making a butter slime today. Now I think last time in this, when I did this video, I think I may have made, or was it a glossy slime? I'm not sure. I think it was glossy slime, but today I thought I'd show you how long it takes me to make butter slime. So I've just added some glue to a bowl, and now I've added some foaming soap, which smells amazing, and I'm gonna add also, hang on, let me zoom you in a bit. There we go. So you're really getting the whole filming process. I normally would have cut that out, but now I'm adding some lotion. Now I'm just going to mix this all together, and there is a dog outside barking. I'm sorry, normally I would wait for him to stop, but this is real life, you guys. This is me making slime. So what I envision for today's slime, I think I want to go with a really pretty blue slime with some colorful sprinkles. I don't know, I hope that's how it turns out. Normally I change my mind halfway through, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to mix this all together, and oh my gosh, that foaming hand soap smells so good. I love using it. Oh my gosh, I nearly spilt food coloring everywhere. That could have been really bad. Okay, so I'm going to add the food coloring now. Let me zoom you in even more. There we go. Okay. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite texture or type of slime? I'm not sure. I think it changes every week for me. At the moment, I'm really loving slushy slimes, crunchy slimes, and floams. But I will always love butter slimes. I just think that they're so cool and soft, and I just love the texture of them. And I think you can also be really creative with butter slimes as well. Whee! Okay, I think I'm happy with that blue. That's really pretty. And I'm going to be adding Dizo clay later, and that will lighten it up a bit. So I need to keep that in mind. Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm not even in the frame. Look at that. I was like moving sideways. Okay, sorry about that. There we go. Now we're in the middle of the frame. Okay, zooming back out. Again, no edits. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and activate it now. I just made up some activator mix, and I like to use the ratio of about about half a teaspoon of borax powder to 1 cup of water. That's usually my go-to ratio. Oh my gosh, I just splashed that everywhere. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's see how this activates. Ooh, I love this color of blue. It's so pretty. Reminds me of the sky. Here we go. A little bit more activator. Okay, I'm really liking how this slime is coming together. What is it? Ah! Oh my gosh, I just spilled something everywhere. Okay, it's alright, we're gonna keep going. I'll just clean that up later. I am such a messy person when I make slime. It's seriously like on the floor and all over on the walls, and I get it in my hair, and my shirt is like always covered in slime. I'm I'm not a neat slime maker. It seriously ends up everywhere. Lucky I always stand on a rug, otherwise I would ruin my carpet. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do now is go in with my hands, because when it gets to this stage, I find that it can be quite easy to overactivate, but sometimes it just needs to be mixed with your hands, and that'll bring the slime together a bit quicker. See, even now I can just like feel it in my hands coming together. Oh, there is a very loud car outside. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Just going to change my camera, and I'm putting slime all over my camera, but that's okay. Did that fix it? Yes. Okay, there we go. I think you're a bit more in focus now, and now there's blue slime all over my camera. Whoops! There's also it's so funny because my cameras are covered in glitter and slime and paint. It just ends up everywhere. Move that to the side. Oh, it's all over my hands. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, slime. I get it all over me. Okay, so I think I'm happy with how this is activated. Sorry, I'm just zooming you in. I was just thinking about something else and then I forgot I was filming. Sorry, I just went like really quiet. Okay. Oh my gosh, now the bowl is rattling on the table. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I just had to move the bowl because it was rattling on the table and it was annoying me. Okay. Sorry if I keep going quiet, I'm just like thinking about the next step, and when I think I go like quiet and then I forget I'm filming, so sorry if I'm quiet, I'm just like off in another world in my head. Alright, zoom you back out. There we go. Oop, my borax jug. Let's move that out of the shot. Okay, so next is what is going to transform this into a butter slime. So I've got some Daiso clay here. And I'm just going to open this up, and I just received a huge order of this. I made it a couple of months ago, and actually I thought it wasn't going to turn up, but it did, which is so exciting because it means that I can make a bunch more butter slimes. I was running quite low. Alright. So let's see if we can get this to look a little bit prettier before I add the clay. I'm sorry guys, I'll be back in 1 second. Something is still rattling. I don't know what it is. It's over here. Oh, maybe it's my measuring cups. Is that better? I don't know. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, these nail edit videos are so hard because there's just normally so many outtakes of me like fixing things or grabbing things that I forgot. Let's zoom you in a bit. There we go. Are we focused? Yes, everything is great. This is good. I'm liking how this is going. What do you guys think? I love mixing in Daiso clay so much. Oh my gosh, this feels so soft and smooth. I love it. And the Daiso clay lightened it up into a really pretty like pastel sky blue. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. Okay. Let's have a look. I'm so happy with this slime. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to now top it. Oops, oh no, I just knocked something over. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Okay, I think I'm just going to top it off with some sprinkles now to finish it off. Let's see if we can get a nice swirl. Alrighty, I've got some really cute little Mickey Mouse sprinkles. They look so good. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to add some pink sprinkles as well because I love the way pink sprinkles look with blue slime. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then, do I need glitter? I think so. I always need glitter. So I'm just going to add some pretty iridescent glitter just to give it a little bit of magic and sparkle. There we go. Put the lid on the glitter before I knock it over. Okay. So I think this is my finished butter slime. What do you guys think? Alrighty guys, so this is the finished butter slime and I'm so happy with it. It's so soft and smooth and spreadable and oh, this is my favorite way to make butter slime. It seriously always works out and I just love the result all the time. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's no editing slime video, and also let me know if you would like to see more videos like this in the future and I can do more, and also let me know what slimes I should make in these videos. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!